Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of this 8-in-1 wireless vacuum. So let's go ahead and unbox it. We had 4 boxes inside of the main box here. Let's see what all comes in here. It sounds like a bunch of different accessories. We've got instruction manual, our charging cable, and then a couple different accessories for the end brush. Let's open up this one right here. Right here we have one of the main portions of the vacuum itself. This folds together. That's pretty nice to see right there. Just snaps together. Press the button to release. All right, moving on to the next box here. We have the main head of the vacuum. It's got a kind of nice gray and blue color to it. Kind of nice handle right here. And then you have a touch screen here. Already came charged, which we will peel that little sticker off and get ready to assemble the rest of the stuff once we unbox this. And here we have the bottom of the vacuum. So let's get this assembled and then we will test it on this rug here. We do have a furry friend over here who is constantly leaving a lot of fur on the ground, so it'll be a good test for this vacuum. So the good news is here, this is so easy to put together that I don't even need to look at the instructions. Snap this together, and then this is going to plug directly into our main unit right here. Snaps in, easy button to release it, like that. Snap that back in. And then lastly, we have our main vacuum head, which can move in all 4 angles here. And we will snap that in as well. It is keyed, so you need to make sure you get it in the right orientation. Now we have our vacuum assembled. Let's test it out. All right, let's take a close-up look at the control panel here. So we do have our battery percentage up there at the top. If I go ahead and turn this on, you can see that it came 50% charged. That should be plenty to test. And then there's a couple different options. That would be for hardwood, whereas this would be more for like deep carpet, which is what we'll use. And you can switch between them with that button right there. So let's go ahead and just vacuum around a little bit. It is wanting to pull me forward, so that's good, makes it a little easier. And you can see it's leaving a nice kind of vacuum streak where you've been over. So very lightweight. This would be very nice for people who live alone or not super strong. Let's go ahead and see the damage that we've done. If you want to look at it, you can very easily detach it here and pop it off. And wow, look at what we've already sucked up in that short amount of time. It's crazy. This rug doesn't look that dirty, but it really is. So let's go ahead and dump this out. I'll show you how easy it is, and then we can use this in the handheld mode, which is cool as well. And to do that, we can put some of these extra accessories on, and these just snap on like that. So all very easy, snap on, snap off kind of stuff. Let's go dump it out and we'll do a couple more tests. So when you're ready to empty it out, all you have to do here is hit this button right here, and this is going to open up, and then boom, give it a couple taps, all the hair falls in the trash, snaps right back up, and you're ready to go. You guys can see I've got some spider webs, even a little bug crawling up there, so we're going to test out the handheld version. Let's crank it up a bit. Not bad, and I'll also do it, we have some spider webs on this light fixture. And so even after all that testing, we are still on 50%, so it's holding its speed very well. The other attachment that it comes with is this nice brush, which is good for getting like dust that's kind of caked onto a surface. So let's go ahead and fire this up. And that brush is basically going to lift up any of that kind of stubborn dust and allow you to get up stuff that you would not be able to without the brush. So it's really good for that. This works in like cup holders on your car or just anywhere where you've got kind of built up dust. Definitely check this one out too. One of the other very cool features about this vacuum is that normal vacuums you can't get under the bed very easily, but you can actually hit this button and break the thing right here, and then you can go very far underneath it and it still works. So this allows you to vacuum in very hard to reach places that a normal vacuum would definitely not be able to get. And I'm gonna get a ton of hair out from under here because I normally don't vacuum this area. And just like that, you can see I've got another huge clod of hair in here. So pretty sweet feature. So once you're finished for the day, you simply take your charger, plug it in, and then there is a nice hidden power switch right here where you plug in your power cable, and then you should start to see it start to charge right there. And once it's all the way up to 100, you're good to use it again. So check it out, guys. I will leave links down below. And as always, thanks for watching Modern Reviews.